Introduction to color. Color is a fascinating phenomenon and a vital part of our everyday lives, representing the visible portion of the electromagnetic spectrum. While the spectrum is continuous, it's commonly split into 7 colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Roy G. Biv. Interestingly, some texts omit indigo, grouping it with violet instead. The actual wavelength values for each color can vary, but what remains constant is the formula that relates the velocity, frequency, and wavelength of light. See T and Fx, where cc is the speed of light, approximately 3x1108 mms 3 8 weight mepris. Calculations. The speed of light through a medium can be calculated using the given frequency and wavelength. For instance, if the frequency of green light is 570 THz and its wavelength is 490 nanometers, the speed of light through that medium is simply the product of these two values. To determine the frequency of blue light with a wavelength of 460 nanometers, the same relationship is used, highlighting the power of these basic formulas in understanding light. The wavelength range for red light, which typically falls between 385 482 THz, can be converted into nanometers using the same principles. Dispersion of white light. White light isn't just one color, it's a mixture of all colors. This becomes clear when white light passes through a prism, splitting into its component colors, a process known as dispersion. This happens because light slows down when entering a denser medium like glass, and different wavelengths slow down by different amounts. The result? A rainbow of colors, with red bending the least and violet the most. Mixing colors. Human vision is also a marvel. Our eyes contain rods, which detect light intensity, and cones, which are sensitive to 3 colors: red, green, and blue. These are the primary colors of light. By mixing these 3 in varying intensities, we can see the full spectrum of colors. The secondary colors, yellow, magenta, and cyan, are formed when 2 primary colors combine. And when complementary colors are mixed, they produce white light.